friends, and welcome back to Coop. Coop is a place where we talk about travel, luxury, lifestyle, and everyday entertaining. It's that time again, time for another cloth and paper unboxing. And this is the May 2023 box. I'm always so excited when I get these boxes and I can't wait to open it. As always, they come with a card that tells you what's inside of the box, and then a set of journaling cards and other odds and ends. And so let's get right into it. So the first thing that I'm going to open is this set of journaling cards that includes a hard acetate or plastic card that says grit and grind. I love that. I put that in my planner immediately. And then this was a beautiful, the camera's not doing it justice, embossed journaling card, and it was absolutely encouraging and beautiful. And then of course this year they've been giving us these desk pop-up calendars for each month, and so that's July's card. And now again, one of these beautiful dust bags that they have sent all year long. And we're going to start with the CEO folder set. And I really like these because they're hard plastic once again, and they're just file folders. Perfect for the A5 size. And you can see that they're frosted clear folders. And I love them because they're like triple cut. So you can see that they can easily be layered in your bag, on your desk. And so they're perfect. And then I was really excited about this. We got 3 different pens. 3 different pens. Or I should say writing implements. This is called the CEO writing collection. And it started with a ballpoint pen and then a liquid fine liner in black. Both of those are in black. And then finally a highlighter that was in a beautiful, beautiful brown color. So you had the fine tip on one side and the thicker tip on the other side. Beautiful and perfect for highlighting inside of your planner. And friends, we're family now, right? Don't mind my nails. I was on my way to the nail salon right after this. And this was really cute and unexpected. So this is a little compact mirror that is inside of a little faux leather case. Really, really perfect for your purse or even to fit inside of your planner. And then these came along with the CEO folders. These are the CEO labels. And these labels are on clear. And here I'm just showing you, you get 2 sets of the black labels and they're all different. And then you get 2 sets of the white. And I grabbed the first dark thing I could find just to show you. These are clear labels, and so that's the white. And so moving on to the dashboards, they always include dashboards in every box, at least 2. And this one was the FICA dashboard, and I was just admiring it. I thought it was so beautiful because it's like in that beautiful metallic silver, and I never really saw anything like that before. And the camera's not picking up on this one as beautifully, but it was also had beautiful embossing and beautiful detail tone on tone. And then finally, the set that we received to go along with the CEO theme are the meeting notes. And this is really handy for me because if you're like me at work, I go to a lot of meetings. And so it's hard to remember one thing from the next. So this is a great way to be able to jot down your thoughts, date the meeting, and all of that good stuff. So I'm really excited about this month's box. I can use every single thing in the box. Sometimes I get the boxes and I'm like, I'm gonna give that to somebody, but the CEO box was perfect for me. It's definitely something that I can use every single piece that came in it, and I put a lot of it immediately in my planner. And so you just see me putting some things away just so that I can carry it to my next planning session. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.